Okay, well here's your total run out. I'm chucked in pretty deep on the on the knurls with some aluminum angles there on my jaws, and let's find the lowest spot right there. Right about there, 0, 6, 7, about 7 thousandths, and I got to put the center in. Thank God for that center you left on there. This thing's pretty tiny. But that's about the worst spot. 6 or 7 thou. I had to put it in a 4-jaw. If I tried chucking it up in the 3-jaw, back on the tail, back here on the smooth part, I was getting a bunch of run out. This thing where that was milled down the side, very consistently pulled away from that mill. So this side is low and this side is high, and every single one of them did that. Every one that's got that little flat spot on it, the tip pulled away from the flat spot. Just like clockwork, every one of them. So that flat spot's got something to do with the way it quenches. So anyways, here, I'll run it real quick. I'm gonna run it backwards. And there's your run out after hardening. And then we can come out here. And let me get that tick out of there. It's about the same, about 6. But thank goodness you put that little center on there. I'll be able to grind that to size and then lob that off with a little abrasive wheel and dress the end. So pretty good. Well, there it is. See if this thing will focus on that. It's trying to focus. It's on size. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Can I run a mic one-handed? I got it set for a bias, so it'll just zero out when I'm on spec. I'm 4/10 big. But little spindly thing, gosh. And I just finished OD grinding it to size. All I gotta do is lob it off with an abrasive wheel over here and dress the end. I'm gonna release the center here. I want to see if that thing's gonna jump sideways. Focus, come on. There it goes. I'll pull the center back. Didn't see much movement. Let's run it with the center off of it. Not too bad. I think you got a pin punch. Well, here we are on a final with the 4-inch drive pin punch. My C dimension was supposed to be 0.85, which is the actual shank. And this is the part that I've ground. And I just got done cutting off the little center on there and cut that little tit off and dressing the end. And I actually, they gave me just like a 1/16 of an inch long, and I was able to sand it down to give it the 1-inch long shank. But we are on size. Calls for 0.85. So we're 4/10 over. If someone felt so inclined, they could, there's 3.5 tenths over. If someone felt so inclined, they could chuck it up in the lathe and polish it down, but I don't think they need to. This is well undersized for a 332 drive pin. So I think it's got plenty of room to drive a roll pin out. All right, but that turned out pretty nice and pretty straight. I tried chucking it up back here first, and I was getting a lot of distortion out from about here out, and it was kind of running like this. So I actually put some aluminum pieces in the forejaw and got in right here and indicated on this taper and got that dialed in really straight, and then use the center to straighten it. And then actually during the course of me grinding this, the heat from me grinding kind of let it relax and straighten out. So I mean, just it never got so hot I couldn't touch it, but it did get warm. But just enough grinding allowance to make that thing happen. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Oh, this is for the What's in Your Toolbox giveaway for Keith Finner. This is a test. This is going out for destructive testing. If anyone can destroy it, Razor Ray can.